A judge has dismissed the lawsuit filed by the group Save Our Fairgrounds. The suit tried to stop the MLS stadium and also the private development, saying that there isn't room for both. But the judge disagreed. News 4's Nancy Amons tells us what it means and also has the latest reaction this afternoon. Hi, Nancy.
Hi, Brittany. Well, what it means is that construction continues full steam ahead. As a matter of fact, as you're standing here, you might hear some of the construction trucks going in and out of the site for the MLS stadium. The Fairgrounds director is very pleased with this legal decision, but the attorney for Save Our Fairgrounds is predicting it will be the death knell for the historic fairgrounds.
Heavy equipment is constantly on the move at the fairgrounds. The soccer stadium well under construction now, as you can see from Drone 4. And now a court case to try to preserve the historic uses at the fairgrounds is over. The group Save Our Fairgrounds lost.
We're very disappointed. We expected a lot different ruling, of course.
Attorney Jim Roberts says this is the end for the fairgrounds. He says with the MLS stadium and 10 acres of private development, there won't be enough parking for the events that remain. Events being held in the expo buildings and the racetrack.
The fairgrounds as we know it will be gone in a year or two. There's no way that the what we think of as traditional uses of the fairgrounds are going to be able to survive the dramatic 90% loss in parking.
Ask a question.
But Chancellor Ellen Hobbs-Lyle disagrees, saying Metro is acting in good faith to preserve the events that have been held here. Lawyers for Metro said in court the soccer stadium and new hotels and retail will make things better.
Talking a little bit more about how important and integral is this mixed use.
The Fairgrounds executive director sent an email saying she's pleased with the chancellor's ruling, saying the added uses will bring exposure and showcase the existing uses such as racing.
Well, one thing we don't know is there going to be any kind of fair here at the National Fairgrounds. If you remember, we told you yesterday the state fair that had been operating here for 100 years is trying to move to Wilson County. Now, the executive director here at the National Fairgrounds says they are exploring other options. Could be something more like a county fair. Nancy Amons, News 4, Nashville.